हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू एस क्लासेज। आज हम प्लस टू के लिए आगे सिलेबस कर रहे हैं। इसमें चैप्टर हमारा इंटीग्रल इज गोइंग ऑन। लास्ट वीडियो, लास्ट लेक्चर्स यू कैन सी। फर्स्ट यू सब्सक्राइब द चैनल एस मैथ्स क्लास एंड आफ्टर दैट यू विल गेट द लिंक ऑफ द लास्ट ऑल वीडियोज ऑफ प्लस टू क्लास, lecture wise NCERT solution, sector wise question, each and every exercise. Okay, then now but today this lecture 11 on chapter integral and exercise 7.5 question 16 to onward. Okay, now question 16 is find the integral of dx upon x into x power n plus 1. तो ये है x पावर n अननोन, तो इसको t मान लें। लेट बाय सब्स्टिट्यूशन लेट x पावर n इक्वल टू t, देन डेरिवेटिव x पावर n का x पावर n माइनस 1 x power n minus 1 into x power n minus 1 and in derivative to x square का डेरिवेटिव 2x है, x power n डेरिवेटिव फॉर्मूला n x power n minus 1 x power n into x power n minus 1 dx is equal to dt. Okay, then n into x power n minus 1. So x power n minus 1 dx. Dx value we can put direct. What is the value of dx? From here, dx is equal to dt upon n into x power n minus 1. Okay, this here दोनों डिवाइड करेंगे, ये ऊपर जाके x power n plus 1 बनता है. Okay, then putting here dx value n is constant out and x power n minus 1 into dt value dx value dt upon dx value dt upon n upon n means 1 upon n. X L it is into x power n is d plus 1 and x power into x power n minus 1. This dt upon this n into x power minus 1. Now this simplifies x power 1 into x power minus 1. So dt upon x power मल्टीप्लाई बेस x पावर यहाँ 1 है, यहाँ माइनस 1, तो पावर ऐड हो जाती है मल्टीप्लाई में, तो क्या बन गया x पावर n minus 1 plus 1 then n. Okay, into t plus 1. Yes, this simplify. Okay, after that again put x power n is t, then it is 1 upon n dt upon x power n t, t into t plus 1. These two factors, then partial fraction. Okay, partial क्या बनेगी, that this partial, then LCM cancel out, and after that 1 is equal to multiply with AT plus A plus BT. Okay, now comparing coefficient of T both sides, then inside 0 and inside A plus B, then A plus B equal 0, and constant term only A, that is equal to 1. Then A put in here 1, then B equal to minus 1. Okay, so A, B value we have got. Now next, this reduce into two integral. One integral is A upon T. A value is 1 dt upon T. Okay, and then 1 upon it out from full, then B value minus 1, so minus this, and dt upon T plus 1. This. Now this reduce into two parts, one on x common, and then log T, this antiderivative, and minus log T plus 1. Okay, then after that this formula log m minus log n. Log m minus log n is equal to log m upon n. Log m upon n, m is here T upon n is T plus 1. This plus integral constant. Now after that, put this. Okay. After that, put this forward. T original. Then this will be 1 upon n log of T. T means x power n. Log of x power n upon T plus 1 and x power n plus 1. This plus integral constant. This is your answer. First, by substitution, make the factors, okay, and then partial. Okay. Like this. Next question we can do. Next question, beta. Next question. Question number 17 is find the integral of cos x upon 1 minus sin x into 2 minus sin x dx. Now here by substitution first, to let, what is substitution here? Let sin x is equal to t. Then differentiate with respect to x. Sin x का डेरिवेटिव cos x and t का dt by dx. So dx will come this side and multiply, and is equal to dt. Okay. Then cos x dx, use dt, then it will be dt. Reduce this in the t variable upon one factor 1 minus t, second factor 2 minus t. Value of sin x is t. Okay. Now this partial, what will be partial? 1 upon 1 minus t into 2 minus t is equal partial. A upon partial fraction 1 minus t linear plus b upon linear. Okay, 2 minus t. Okay, now take here LCM and cancel out. So then numerator 1 this side is equal to here multiply a with 2 minus t, 2a minus at plus b minus bt. Okay, then comparing variable t coefficient both side and constant. So left hand t variable constant 0. So right hand t variable constant minus a minus b minus a minus b equal 0. Okay, and constant here plus b plus 2a. 2a plus b. B constant is equal to 1. Now here a value is equal to minus b. So this value here a is minus b. So minus 2b plus b is equal to a 1 by substitution. So minus b is equal to 1. Then b is equal to minus 1. Done. So a equal to minus b to minus b plus 1. So these value and this integral will reduce into two partial, two integral dt upon 1 minus t, and a value is 1. So here a is 1, a upon 1 minus t, and second b plus b, but b value minus 1, so minus dt upon 2 minus t. Okay, then this integral log and minus, due to that 1 minus t, derivative of 1 minus t with respect to t minus 1. So divide by minus 1, so then log of 1 minus t. Okay, and minus this integral of this 2 minus derivative 2 minus t minus 1, तो divide by minus 1 and minus plus हो जाएगा, then log of 2 minus t, direct anti-derivative formula, direct. So here check it is positive, negative log m minus log n. We can write log of, simplify this only, log m upon n. M is 2 minus t upon n. N is 1 minus t plus constant. Now put original t. What is the value? Sin x. So then this implies log of 2 minus t. T means sin x divided by 1 minus t. T means sin x plus integral constant. This is your answer. Okay. Now next question. Next question is question number 18. Important question. This is important. Question number 18. Find the integral of this. First partial of this we have to take by left. So first here that only x is square is equal to y. Only simple. So this we can write y plus 1 into y plus 2 upon y plus 3 into y plus 4. Same degree. Then divide divide means y square numerator 2y plus y plus 3y and 2 1 are 2 plus 2 divide by denominator y square plus 7y and plus 12. This divide then here 1 y square plus 7y plus 12. Then subtract, change the sign of each term, cancel. Then 3 minus 7 minus 4y minus 12 plus 2 minus 10. This is remainder. Okay, this is quotient. So it can be reduced into two parts, quotient plus remainder minus 4y minus 10 remainder divided by divisor y square plus 7y plus 12. This we can write. Now again this partial of this again minus 4y minus 10 is equal to factor y plus 3 y plus 4 a upon y plus 3 plus d upon y plus 4 partial of this part. So partial LCM this denominator. So means here only numerator minus 4y minus 10 will be equal to a into y, ay plus dy and plus 4a plus 3b plus 3b. Now comparing coefficient of y and constant. Coefficient of y here minus 4 and here a plus b. A plus b is equal to minus 4. Okay, and constant 4a plus 3b, 4a plus 3b is equal to constant minus 10. Minus 10. Now simplify, multiply by 4, then 4a plus 4b is equal to 4 plus 16 or is 4. So 4a plus 3b is equal to minus 10. Both subtract, change the sign. 4a minus 4a cancel. 4 minus 3 1 1b equal minus 16 plus 10 minus 6. So b minus 6. So a is equal फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में पुट कर लो, चाहे सेकंड में पुट कर लो. a इक्वल माइनस 4 माइनस 3 माइनस 4 माइनस b means plus 6 then plus 6 then plus 2 a is equal to 2. done. Okay, so a is equal to 2. ठीक है, because b minus 6 2 minus 4 done. Okay, now this will reduce integral of x square plus 1 into x square plus 2 into dx upon x square plus 3 into x square plus 4 will reduce integral of 1 dx plus this minus 4y। ये सब्स्टिट्यूशन से इसको क्या बनेगा, इंटीग्रल करेंगे फैक्टर है a अपॉन प्लस इंटीग्रल a वैल्यू इज 2 अपॉन a अपॉन y plus 3 y plus 3 means y is original x square plus 3 into dx and second b value and minus b is 6 dx upon b upon y plus 4 x square plus 4. So this integral. Now this answer 1 dx x plus 2 x square plus 1 x square plus root 3 square लिख सकते हैं इसको 3 into 3 तो x square plus a square integral tan inverse तो plus 2 tan inverse x upon a and 1 upon a is minus 6 this also tan inverse x upon a is 2 divided by 2 plus constant. Now simplify this minus 3 then x plus 2 upon 3 tan inverse x upon root 3 and minus 3 tan inverse x upon plus integral constant. So this is your answer. Okay, question. Okay. Next question beta. Next is 90 integral of 2x upon x square plus 1 into x square plus 3 dx. So here first let by substitution x square is equal to t then 2x dx will be equal to dt. You can say both sides. So use this, then this will reduce into new integral 2x dx is dt, new variable में क्वेश्चन कन्वर्ट हो गया and this is t plus 1 into t plus 2. Then partial fraction easy partial 1 upon t plus 1 into t plus 3 equal a upon t plus 1 plus b upon t plus 3. Okay, then direct LCM and cancel LCM. Then 1 equal to 80. LCM and simplify 80 plus BT plus 3A plus B. Okay, then comparing variable t coefficient a plus b here 0, a plus b equal to 0, equating the variable coefficient t coefficient and constant here 3a plus b. This is equal to 1. Then here a equal to minus b. So put substitute minus b, minus 3b and plus b equal to 1. Then b equal to, अब ये माइनस 2b हो जाएगा, तो डिवाइड बाय माइनस 2, then 1 upon 1. b वैल्यू आ गई, then a वैल्यू पॉजिटिव 1. So express into two integral this integral of a upon a is 1 upon 2, so 1 upon 2 dt upon t plus 1. Okay, plus b value is minus half integral of dt upon t plus 3. Okay, then this implies 1 upon 2 common, then this is log of t plus 1 and minus log of t plus 3 plus integral constant. Then log m minus log m. Use the formula many times. Log m upon n. Half log m upon n. T plus 1 upon t plus 3 plus constant. T value original x square. So half log of x square plus 1 upon x square plus 3 plus constant integral constant c. Answer. Okay, like this you can do. Next question number, yes beta. Next question number 28. Find the integral of dx upon x into x power 4 मार्क. इसके दो फैक्टर बन रहे हैं, ठीक है. dx upon x है, इसके दो फैक्टर x स्क्वायर प्लस 1, एक फैक्टर x स्क्वायर माइनस 1. ओके, इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूशन कर दो. लेट x स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 3 and 2x dx is equal to dt. Okay, then dx is equal to dt upon 2x. So the dx value dt upon 2. So 1 upon 2 and dt upon x. This x square, okay, and into this t plus 1 into t minus 1, t minus 1. Then this integral reduced into partial fraction. This is 1 upon x square again t into t plus 1 t minus 1. Okay, this partial a upon t plus d upon t plus 1 plus c upon t minus 1. these three partials and 1 is equal a into this a t square a plus b a must be a square minus b square minus 1, so minus a done, and b plus b into t square dt square and minus t minus dt plus c t square plus ct square. Then is multiplying to c, so ct square and plus ct this. Now comparing t square represents 0, a plus b and plus c is equal to 0. Okay. Now coefficient of t minus b plus c minus b plus c also 0. Why? Because t coefficient is less than 0. Then only constant. The constant minus a only. Minus a. The constant is minus a is equal to 1. Then a equal to minus 1. A minus 1. A is minus 1 plus b plus c equal 0. Equation 1. Second equation minus b. Okay? Minus b plus c equal 0. So here this minus 1 and minus 1 plus 2c is equal to 0 and c equal to 1 upon 2. c 1 upon 2. So c 1 upon 2, so b is also 1 upon 2. b is equal to 1 upon 2. Okay? So c, b, a, all three we got. Now this 1 upon 2 out from the whole integral and connect. A upon t. A is minus 1. So minus dt upon t plus b value half integral dt upon t plus 1 plus c value be half integral of dt upon t minus 1. Okay. Now half the whole out, then this is half log b plus 1 plus half log b minus 1 and minus log b. For this half and half is common, 1 upon 4 and log of m into n t plus 1 t minus 1 t square minus 1. this 1.4 and this minus half log d plus constant. Then 1.4 log of t square. T square is called 4. It's called 4. T square means x square to all square is called 4 minus half log t. T means x square plus constant. So like this we can do like, share and subscribe the channel and send the video to the maximum contact and guide them. They must watch, like, share and subscribe the channel to get the next notification with them. Okay, and guide them. They must watch the last videos on the given description link of the back videos in this with this video. Okay, thank you.